Hello, my gardening family. So my garden is giving me a little goodies this morning. So I am so grateful, and I just want to get them. It is such a joy when you come out in the morning and the garden just put a smile on your face. And that smile, you keep reminiscing about it throughout the day. Natural therapy. What more could I ask for? Look at all of these beauties. I am so blessed.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
So pretty. Look at these babies. This one is fully ripe and ready for my tummy. But this one can stay a little longer. But I'm not chancing it at all. This could probably stay another day, but not chancing it. Not with these birds. Alright, so let me get this one first. Ooh, it fell from me. Can you imagine? You don't want me to have you. Alright, so the other one is a little, it still has a little red inside there. What I found out is that when they're not fully dark, like fully black, they're not so sweet. So this one, I know it's not going to be so sweet, but I don't want to chance it, seeing that I only have two. I'll have it partially sweet nevertheless. But this one, by the looks of it, I can tell that it is very sweet. Yeah. You see these Scotch bonnet peppers right here? They are very hot, very spicy. They season the pot so well. I can't wait for them to get back to here. This was a small size, compared to what I used to get before. When I saw this the other day, I was like, yeah, you're getting there. Alright, so this is the one right here. It looks so unique how it ripens. I have a little patch of green in there and then the orange around here. Are you ever tempted to touch? That's me with this little bell. Oh my, I can't wait. Like, I'm so excited. Like, why not? Look at my okra. Okra coming up soon. That's not what I really want to show you though. Is this I was taking it to the okra bloom. It is so pretty. Yeah, I'm actually going to have okra soon. Well, I think I have an okra. I have one, man. I saw this from the other day. It is right here. Oh, I'm going to get it. These not getting any bigger, guys. These are like dwarfs. I'm going to get this because I don't want it to get hard. Can go in any little stir fry. Or I can have it just the way it is because it has a lot of health benefits. So this is what my garden is actually giving me, and it may seem small, but I'm so happy because something is always better than nothing, especially I know my struggles. Well, on a bright note, look here guys, look at the progress I just showed you the other day, and it's like overnight was a huge growth. Look at this. I just show you they are progressing so quickly. Oh my, I'm so excited. Cut this one too. I have to be fighting for them, fighting for them because of these pestilence, but I'm forever grateful. Guys, you remember the other day when I came out and one of my June plums fell in one of the containers? I did not know that it was ripe, you know, because it looked a little grayish. You see how this one is looking? It looks a little grayish. Yeah, because you see this one right here, it is ripe. It is ripe, but because it has the gray thing on it, I don't know if you can actually see the yellow in there. No, I didn't know, and so it just ripe and fell off. And they taste so good, like you don't have to have it with any salt, any sugar, nothing at all. You can just have it like that. It tastes really good. Guys, look at the progress of this pak choy. Now I have two over here. I think I'm going to move one from here so that they can spread out better, because initially that's what I wanted to do, but I said let them stay and grow a little. So I think now is the time to allow them to spread their wings a little. My callaloo right here making great progress, and the other ones too, but I really could get some callaloo, some tender ones, because I have enough, could get some tender ones, but I'm leaving them for now because I'm not sure I'm going to get to prepare them this week, because you know they will have to clean up properly and all of that. I don't like to deal with these things in rush. Things will get a little more busier for me than the usual, so I am going to wait because this one is quite tender and ready to. Well, these could wait, but this one I could get as well. So I'm going to wait. Let me show you the cucumber making progress. It's not pollinated properly, but it's not ready yet. You see all those spikes on there? Yeah, they don't easily come off, and you can see how sharp they are. You know the cucumber is not ready yet. Those spikes are to defend the cucumber itself. Yeah, it's like their shield of protection. So see the other one right here, it opened up and I did actually pollinated it. I think I even leave the one that I used inside there. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if you can see. You see it? Yeah, it is still inside there. I hope it got pollinated properly. So what I did was to take off one of the male flower like this, and I took off all the petals, and I had just the outer section like this with the middle section, and I just put it, kind of rub it inside of the female flower right here, and then I just said let me leave it in there just in case. So yeah. Alright, so this is it for my little harvest. So this is our little harvest for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.